This is the Potensic Atom drone, and today I will show how you can insert or eject an SD card on this drone. So first, let me quickly show how you can put a memory or a SIM card into this little aircraft. So take a micro SD memory chip and then look at the battery side of your drone. That's the opposite side from the camera. Here below the battery you'll find the little SD card slot, so align it in accordance with this little icon here that, well, helps you to see how you should position your SD card before putting it in, and then simply put it into this little hole and then push it all the way in until you hear a very distinctive click that signalizes that you have, well, done everything correctly and the memory card was inserted successfully. And you do not even need to reboot the drone for that, it gets acknowledged right away. Now if you would like to eject or take the memory card out, all that you gotta do is here you can see this little teeth that you need to simply press with your finger, and the SD card should pop right out. At least it did for me before, so let me try to do that a few times. Or you can just do that in the old classic way and simply push the SIM card in, after which it should pop out. Yep, as you can see it did. And then use your fingers to eject it all the way. And well, as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.